If you've forgotten your Discord password or want to change it for security reasons, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to reset your Discord password. Step 1. Open the Discord app or website. Launch the Discord application on your device or go to the Discord website in your web browser. Step 2. Go to the login page. Click on the login button if you're not already logged in. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 3. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. This will redirect you to the password reset page. Step 4. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Discord account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the reset link. Step 5. Check your email and follow the link. Check your email inbox for password reset email from Discord. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to set a new password. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Discord account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider checking your spam folder for the reset email or contacting Discord support for assistance.